In this video, we're going to be installing VirtualBox, but let's take a look at some terminology first. If this is your Windows 10 machine, this could be also an Apple Mac machine or a Linux machine or whatever the computer is that you're running, we call that the host. On that host, we're going to install VirtualBox. We call that the hypervisor. And then inside of VirtualBox, we're going to install another operating system, maybe another Windows 10 or a server operating system or a Linux operating system or whatever it is. That's called the guest or the virtual machine or the VM. So when we refer to a virtual machine, we're talking about an operating system operating inside of an operating system we already have. Now let's go to VirtualBox and take a look at that. So I'm just going to go to VirtualBox.org, not .com, but .org. And once we get here, I'm going to go to Downloads. And now, since my host, remember back here in this diagram, the host is the machine that I'm running it on. So here under Host, I'm going to choose the kind of host I'm running. In this case, I'm running a Windows host, so I'm going to choose, I want VirtualBox for Windows. And I will go ahead and download that. And once it's downloaded, I will go ahead and click on that. And then we can install VirtualBox. It will take just a moment to get started. Next, I will go ahead and accept all of these defaults in this case. I will leave all of these defaults and say yes, proceed with the installation now, and install, and that's it. This is VirtualBox now will be installed on my computer, and I will be ready to install in the next video the operating system that I want to operate in. This is really great for labs and things where you don't want things to go directly on your own computer system, but you want to test them in something that you can just throw away and it won't affect your system in some way.